Freelancing on Fiverr has some bad sides, but the two that stands out is that Fiverr get to take 20% commission for every penny you earn on Fiverr. So let's assume you are paid $100 for a gig. Fiverr will take $20 and give you $80. That's not all. That money will only be available for withdrawal after 14 days. That's approximately 2 weeks. Man, that's huge. But you know what? I've got it covered, because in this video, I will show you how to bypass that 20% commission taken by Fiverr, and I'll also show you how to get your money withdrawn instantly as soon as your buyer marks your order complete. And you know what? This is absolutely sponsored by Fiverr. So if you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe, like, and share. Okay, I appreciate that a lot. So without further shalaye, let's read the intro. Okay, so guys, you're welcome to this video. So before we get started, do me this favor, please. It's a favor. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed already, please like. And if you have liked already, please leave a comment. Leave a comment, a meaningful comment. It will help tell YouTube that this video is amazing and they will recommend it to more viewers. Okay, it's just a favor. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. So back to the video. Okay, so if you look here, you see that there is a particular feature called bring your own business, okay, on Fiverr, and this feature will help you bypass no 20% service fee. Can you guys see it? No 20% service fee. Enjoy commission-free orders forever from new buyers you bring to Fiverr. Okay, so what this means is that this works on new buyers you bring. Okay, it works on new buyers. All right. Then not just that, you can bypass this no 20% fee. Instant payout. Okay, you receive payment immediately from the moment your order is marked. So if you use this particular feature on a new buyer, immediately you are done with the order, they will give you the money instantly without any questions. Okay, so this is why I love, you know, this particular feature also. So you don't have to wait for 14 days, you don't have to wait for 2 weeks before you'll be able to withdraw your money. So the moment your order is marked complete by your buyer, you withdraw. Okay, then the other one is more business and all of those things. So this is the first way of boycotting this. So your next question is, where do I find this bring my business and how does it work? Okay, so go over to your Fiverr account. Okay, if you go to your seller dashboard, go to more, you see a button here called more, right? So click on it, you see BYOB. Okay, BYOB, see? So click on it. Okay, click on it and it will lead you to this page. So just click on got it. Okay, so right here I have my you have your gigs. Okay, you have your gigs. So they will say create a free commission orders by using one of the methods below. So you guys see it. So we are using, so any order you create using this particular feature will be commission free. They won't charge you for anything, they won't charge you for any dime. Okay, so send offer. So number one option you have, you know, to what to do is send offer. So you can create an offer. Watch so that you're not doing anything illegal. Fiverr supports it 100%. You see, this offer will be commission free, so they're not taking the 20% as usual if you use this method. Okay, so create an offer. So before you create an offer, you must have brought the buyer on Fiverr. Make sure that it's a new buyer. Okay, make sure that it's a new buyer. That's the only way this is going to work. So make sure that it's a new buyer, it's not a repeating buyer, a new buyer. So once you click on send offer, once you guys are done talking about how much you charge, the pricing, all of those things, okay, so the next thing you should do is to you make sure that you guys have concluded. So next thing is to do, click on this offer, then select any of your gigs. Okay, let's say this one, I need this one. So you just describe your offer. It's just like sending a custom offer on Fiverr. Okay, it's not that complex. So you just select delivery time, all of those things, amount, you can enter amount. Okay, enter amount. Okay, let me just fill it. Website design for Bloom Keg. fiverr.com. Okay, so delivery starting days, total offer is let's say I'm charging $1,000 for this. Number of revisions, I'm just gonna leave it at 10. Expiration dates, okay. Ask for give requirements, no. So I'm just gonna click on submit offer. So watch, do you guys see? So it will select, it will say send offer via email. Send your customer an email with a link, okay, with your name. Do you see? So I can enter my name here, Anthony, okay, right? Customer's email, you put the customer's email, but this is not necessary, okay. Since the customer is a new time buyer and you are not the one that brought him from outside, okay, your personal note to your customer, you can just type a note. If you have the customer's email already, you can type a note, okay. So this feature is mostly for customers that you picked off Fiverr, that don't trust you well enough to pay before you start, okay. So you can use this feature. Then you can also grab a link to the offer. Just click on a link, okay. So once you copy a link, copy this link and send it to the customer direct, inside Fiverr, outside Fiverr. Once they purchase, they will get this commission free, okay. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So once they purchase using this particular link, you get commission. Once you are done doing the order, you get your money complete and you get to withdraw easily the moment they mark your order complete, okay. So they said view email preview, okay. So this is what an email looks like. Do you guys see? Sends you an offer, hey, this one, okay. So this is what it looks like if you are using this particular feature, email. So that aside, you can also share your gigs. There is a particular link, you see, track.fiverr. There is a particular link that this particular feature has, okay. So you can share a link, or you share your profile. Send your existing your profile page to create a commission-free order. So the person can visit your profile with this link, copy link, okay. You send it to the person. The person comes on Fiverr, orders, and you get commission free. Like you get all those benefits I mentioned, okay. So it's quite easy. Then there's another way of doing this. If your customer trusts you enough, a returning buyer, okay. I'm done with this particular strategy. So if you're okay, so the second way of doing this is off Fiverr, okay. If you want to cut the 20% and all of those things, the second way of doing this is to do it on outside Fiverr, on Payoneer, okay. So there's a particular button that is called request a payment. Payoneer, I don't know what's happened. They disabled my request a payment button, but this is where you see request a payment button, okay, on Payoneer. What am I even doing? Let me sign off this account and sign in another account, so I'll show you exactly what I mean, okay. So I just hold on, guys. What is happening? Okay, just hold on, okay. Motorcycle. I just want to show you the second method of doing this off Fiverr. Okay, wow. If this doesn't work, I'll just leave it at this, but I just want to show you. Wow. Hold on. Oh God, what is all this? Hold on, okay. Okay, so it doesn't work, but you all know what I mean by request a payment. I think I have a video on my channel. Okay, let me go over to my channel. I have a video on my channel about that. Okay, here. Okay, I think go watch this video. This video shows how to receive money, like request payment from Payoneer, okay, from your customers. So just follow this video, okay? Send a payment link to your customer and they will pay. If you know you have a returning buyer on Fiverr that trusts you so much, okay, this is only when you get to use this particular feature. So go watch this video. It will show you how to do that, okay? So I've come to the end of this video, guys, and I hope you got value. Please, if you did, I'll kindly implore you, share this video. I will appreciate that. Share and subscribe, so we'll hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, okay? So this is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.